When you're using Elementor Forms, you can collect your submissions. So if you ever have to retrieve them or you want to check some details because you haven't got it in your email inbox, because over here in your WordPress admin dashboard sidebar, you can see submissions. Now, when I go into here, I could view it or I could trash it, but there is a little bit of a problem. If you trash from here, it won't be visible within your submissions pane, but it will still exist in your back-end database. Now, if you're just collecting basic fields, you can get away with having many form submissions still sitting in your back-end database. However, if some of your forms collect PDFs or images or other forms of submissions, it's going to quickly start to get bloated in your database. So how do you get rid of it? You got to go over to your hosting provider, your site settings or your file content, uploads, all of that, and start deleting them manually. And you might say, hey, I'm okay with that, but would your client be okay with that? Probably not. So here's a free code snippet that's going to allow you to delete with a little bit of control. It's on screen. Go and click the link in the video description. When you download it, unzip the file. Then you want to get the code snippets plugin. Go over to import. You can get this for free from the WordPress repository. Then all you want to do is drag in the unzipped file to here, click import, and then save and activate. And what this will do within your WordPress tools, you'll now have an item called Elementor Submissions Cleanup. You can now delete submissions before a particular date, or you may want to delete submissions between a range of dates. So I'm just going to go and pick today's date, and then I'm going to click preview matches. And what this will do is return them. And believe me, I tested this out where I had like a website with over 200. Obviously, they're all deleted now, but you will see all of them. Now, you can't go and view them, but if you know you want to get rid of submissions from a particular time period, maybe you know your client or yourself, or you've got hold of all the PDFs and all the content, you just don't need it clogging up your backend database. Well, now you can go and tick the box to say you know what you're doing, and then you go and delete them. Click OK, and that's it. That is now gone, because when I hit preview again, it no longer exists. And I can assure you, I have checked this on the back-end databases as well. And if I go back over to Elementor Submissions, it's been deleted from there too. I think that makes things a little bit easier when it comes to cleaning up your Elementor Form Submissions. I'm Imran from Web Squadron. I hope you like, subscribe, share, and follow. Go and check out the rest of our videos and our Elementor course to access exclusive videos. Take care. See you soon. Bye.